Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I would like to begin this video by saying Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. Happy celebration. The recipe I'll be sharing today is yam, boiled yam and egg sauce. So we'll begin by slicing up the yam. So now I'm going to be introducing the ingredients for this sauce. I have my yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, 8 tomato seeds, onion, just 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, spring onion. All these are for flavors. The spring onion, the bell peppers are for flavor. I will be using vegetable oil on the normal, but this sesame oil will be adding flavor to it. My salt, some salt, bouillon cube, then the egg. There is not much senge for this particular recipe, like curry time. All these are not necessary. We'll keep it low and healthy. So as our yam is cooking, I'll go ahead to prep all this. It's good that you prep the whole ingredients that you're using for this before starting off. So I'm about making the sauce. I just added some vegetable oil. When the oil heats up, like in the next 2 minutes, we'll start cooking properly. So our onion is entering now. Why are you running? This onion, why are you running? Who is pursuing you? Some salt. I'm going in with my tomatoes and pepper. Now, so I'm going to be leaving this onion to cook for about 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. I don't want it dry. So while we are waiting for our tomatoes to get ready, I'll be breaking the egg now. I ended up adding 1 extra egg, making it 6. Let's count. 1. This has already scattered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will mix. At this point, you can season the egg. I'm just going to add only salt, but you can season with black pepper, thyme, or whatever seasoning of your choice. For mine, I will use salt. Okay, so this is after about 4 minutes. See now, the tomatoes are still good, like not that dry, but I tell you the sour taste has gone out. It's no longer there. So I'll go in with some seasoning cubes. Next will be our bell peppers. As I added them, I will allow them, like I will just give some seconds so that the flavors, the oil will help bring out their flavors. Then the egg follows. Our Mr. Egg is entering. Our Mr. Egg, our Mr. Egg. Guys, oh my god, this egg sauce is one in town. You really need to try making your egg sauce this way. Because we're using it for yam, I don't want it like, cake. Hey, see these bell peppers, they are everything. See how they added beautiful color to this. You can see green, you can see yellow, you can see red, you can see all the colors. This egg sauce is sauce of several colors, rainbow color sauce. Now I'll spring onion. Mr. Man, enter people. So the sesame oil, just little for flavor. You can skip this part, it's not like a must. And guys, we are done. I'm turning off the heat now. You don't need to do this, and all the nutrients in the egg will dry out. This is just the best way to make your egg sauce. Check it out now. I am giving them. Guys, finally look at the yam you saw me peel at the beginning. It is ready. The two of them are just ready, so go ahead to serve. Here is my star shaped cutter. I want to like make this meal so appetizing, captivating forever. So I'm going to use this to place my hand on. I'm going to place my hand on this so that my hand doesn't touch the yam. And I'll go ahead to press. You see it? These ones are not going to waste, so we'll eat it. But this is basically like if you have a guest, or tell me who would resist something like this, with sauce. It's not possible. So I'm still going to do this. So like this, we go to the main plate we'll be using to dish. This particular one is bigger than this one, so let me try using this for this to see if it will work. Those who are fresh in marriage, imagine you present something like this to your husband, like a star-shaped yam. The love will increase. He's going to buy you the latest car the next morning. So this is the smallest among the three. I still have other ones like the smallest, but I'm just gonna work with these three shapes and these three sizes. So I'll be making this now. This should be easy now because it was very little. I go again. Bah, bah. I'm there. Bah, bah. Mr. Man, come this way. It shock you? Thank you guys for sticking around to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up, like it. As I'm talking now, please, if you haven't liked this video yet, just click on the like button and also subscribe if you are new to this channel. See, we are yet to start, like we are just starting. There are a lot of goodies that you'll be getting from this channel, so that is the reason why you don't just need to you don't just watch and pass. Please try to be part of this channel by subscribing and also click on the notification, turn on the notification, just that bell icon beside the subscribe button. That is the notification. Please click on it so you will be notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.